Hi guys, welcome back and happy Holi. So today's video is going to be a quick video about what do you do before Holi and what do you do after Holi's, and also the do's and don'ts. So the first thing that you need to do before you start playing Holi is this. Yeah, coconut oil. Lather yourself from top to bottom thoroughly with coconut oil. Apply coconut oil everywhere, on your hair, on your body, on your ears. I mean everywhere, whichever the exposed area will be. And once that is done, make sure you also use a good sunblock, because you're going to be out in the sun playing and you will not even realize when you've tanned yourself. So this is another thing that you really would need. So coconut oil and a good sunblock. So and make sure you wear full sleeves, because the more the exposed area, the more color you would catch, the more tan you would catch. So make sure you're wearing full sleeves. And even if you don't, big deal, it's just a one-day matter. So do what you want, wear what you want, be safe, and have fun. Now once you are done, you also make sure you tie your hair, because if you tie your hair, the lesser the damage, the better, the more good it would be for you. So if you tie, good. If you don't, I'll tell you what to do next if you really spoil your hair. Okay, so that was about it. And you also have to use Vaseline. Make sure you put Vaseline all over your ears thoroughly, because these are the areas, these are the parts, that are red, pink, silver even after a week or two. So to prevent that, make sure you completely cover your ears with a lot of Vaseline. Okay, now once that is done, once you're safe and fine and you've had your fun, your share of fun for the day, now comes the after Holi part. Now what you need to do here is, once you're done, you need to take some basin. I'm not sure if you can see, there is this basin, it's also called as gram flour. Okay, you take that, you put some lemon, half a lemon in it, and you put some curd in it. Okay, so mix everything together and try to scrub. Do not use a scrub, do not use a scrub, because your skin is already irritated and being rubbed again and again. So do not use any kind of scrub. That's a suggestion for you, and a piece of advice, take it please. So use this thing, use a basin, use curd and also some lemon in it, and then you could always slightly massage and get rid of all the color. And trust me, probably just twice if you use it, your color would be gone. You would notice the change in the first go. That was about it. And now for your hair, your lovely hair, what you need to do is take a lot of curd. Okay, some good curd, put an egg in it. Okay, break one complete egg in it, and a lemon. Okay, one lemon, 2 or 3 spoons of curd, and of course an egg. Beat it thoroughly, completely, until everything mixes together, and then put it on your hair. Now this would also give you a shine. It would take care of the color, and it would also give you a lighter spa kind of a thing, condition your hair equally. So that's about the Holi tips. And make sure you have a lot of fun, be safe, and forget all the rats and you being angry with anybody. This is a great festival to have fun and make merry. Enjoy, eat a lot, stay in control, do not eat too much. You would put on later on and then regret, so do not do that. These were just a few tips from me. Have fun, play safe, and also please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that we stay connected, and it would be a favor to me. All right, I love you all. Have fun. Happy Holi once again. Bye bye.